If you throw parties at your house for Super Bowl, birthdays, holidays, you're an event planner, you're a party planner. That's a service business. If you bake cakes, bring them to work, and everybody wants to know how you bake this cake. Oh, it looks so good, it tastes so good. You're a cake baker, decorator. That's a service you could charge for. If your house is always designed immaculately, they come to your house and they're complimented. Consider yourself an interior design. You have impeccable style, and somebody will probably pay you for that as well. Painters. If you have great attention to detail, straight lines, things of that nature, you would be a good painter. Get into wall design as you get better with that. Wall design is very big right now. A lot of people are getting paid to do wall design, so that's something I would look into. If you're good at installing sound systems, if you're good at that, that's a service you're probably already charging your friends for. That's something you can start up on the side and get paid for as well. The hair braiders, the barbers. Not every state requires a license, but more than anything, those are the type of services that really require trust. Somebody has to trust you, put your hands in their head, and then they're going to pay you handsomely for babysitting. Figure yourself. If you have kids, add some more. And do overnight, especially on New Year's, holidays, football games, weekends. People want to go out, get drunk, tailgate, watch some kids overnight. Double charge more. And balloon decorators. Order the kit off Amazon. Be balloon decorator. If you wallpaper, again, attention to detail, they get paid a lot of money. So these are the things that you guys are already doing, probably already have been complimented on, and somebody's asked you to do it for them.